Hey guys, this is Varun Kanati. So today we'll again learn the 4x4 second part of it. This is the second part of that video. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started with the edges today. So as I said, in 3x3 the edge is already matched and we need to match these two edges. Matching of edges is really easy. The only part which is difficult to the beginners is matching the last two edges, which I'll detailedly say in this video. So as I said, first part in learning is to shuffle. So as the cube is now shuffled, I'll just quickly match the centers with a snap. So the centers are done. If you don't know how to solve the centers, there's a detailed video in my channel. I'll put the link of that video in my description. Please do check that. So we need to match the edges. So for matching it quickly, I'll do with white color. There are total 4 edges of white. I'll match all of the white and then yellow and then the rest 4 edges. So I'll show how to do that. So in a 3x3 there's a white and green, white orange, white blue and white red. So in that, so let me just put it in here. So for that we need to match 2 edges here. This is a white and blue, this is also white and blue. So there are many cases for edges, 3 to 4 I think. So the first case is this: if the edge is here and the another edge is here, this is white and this is blue, these are opposite. So for that you need to just do like this. Okay, sorry for that. If it's like this, so when this is here and this piece is here, this white and blue and these are opposite, you need to just do this like this and this up. So actually sorry for that, not that. So if this is here and this is here, you need to just get this, do this a 2 times move and then just rotate it like this. So which ensures opposite colors like this, opposite, but they are in front side, not on like only on the middle 2 rows. This is white and blue and this is also white and blue. And here how you matches, you'll just do it like this, so that matches these 2 edges. So when these 2 edges are matched, you need to just put them aside, and the unmatched edges you need to get them in this line and then get it back. And when you just do it like this, the centers doesn't get disturbed and our white and blue edge is done. So like this, there's another case too. I'll show with white and orange. So okay, let's go with white and green. So sometimes you find like this, here white and green and here also white and green, same color on the same side. For that, what you need to do is take this up. This piece should come in this plane. For that you need to just do it up 10 and 2 times like this, and then here the white and green is here. So for that you can just do like this, and the white and green piece will be here and other will be here, and you can just match it like this. So as you can see, this is a matched edge and this is also matched edge, but this is not matched. So you should keep that in this line which you want to get down and then bring it back, which doesn't disturb the centers. And now the centers are matched and our white and green also is also matched. 2 edges done, other 2 left. We'll go with white and orange. Yeah, white and orange. So this is another case. They are on the same face but they are facing same color, and this is the case. This is like a 3x3. Yes, 3 by 3. Here they are the edges. So if the case is like this, you need to just do it a down move and bring it here. This piece came here, and this is the ideal case. You can just do it like this, which matches this. Take it up and bring a unmatched one in that line and get that down, and just like this. So this is very easy. Practice, if you practice more, the speed will also get increased. And if this video gets 100 likes, I'll definitely make advanced method of solving a 4x4. This is the beginner's method. So next step is, we have one more edge, I think, yeah, white and red. So here is a white and red, here also is a white and red. So these two needs to get matched. For that, if the case is like this, just bring it down like this and keep it here. So for matching the edges, one edge should be here and one edge should be here, and they must be opposite colors. So simply you can do it like this, and unmatched one you can get it down. So same goes with the yellow edges too. So let's do the yellow edges now. I'm trying to do the yellow and green one. So this is yellow and green. Same goes like this. Get the unmatched one down and match the centers again. So if you find all four edges matching on the upper side, you will find unmatched. You can just keep it on this line and you can match any edge here. For instance, I'll show an example. Green and orange is here. I'm thinking to do the green and orange one. So as you can see, now focus. So next, here is the green and orange, and here is the other one. You can just match it like this. And as I said, there should be unmatched edge, but there are no unmatched edges. So for that, we will find the unmatched edge here. So here is the unmatched edge, and you can just put it on this line. So we are doing here, right? Now when we do, we'll get an unmatched edge, and we can just easily match it. So the green and orange is done. We are left with the blue and orange and yellow. So let's do blue and orange and yellow, as they both are here. If the case is like this, blue and yellow and orange, you should just do like this, right? You should get this here, which is like this, yellow and orange. So here is the unmatched edge, so I'll keep it here, just match it like this. So after this is matched, I think we are left with two edges. No, we are left with one more edge. So this is how you do it. When you are left with the last two edges, there will be an algorithm. I'll show that. So let me first match all the edges, leaving those two. Okay, in my case all the edges are matched, but in most of the cases edges doesn't get matched. For that, there's a algorithm. When you are left with two edges, I'll just show that case. So guys, this is the case where you will have last two edges to do. So yellow and blue, red and white. So this will be in two cases actually. This is also. So this is the white and red, and this is the yellow and blue. You should just before you learn to match like this, and get an unmatched here, but there are no unmatched ones. And also This yellow and blue needs to come here. This white and red needs to go here. For that, for applying this algorithm, you need to take these two edges over here, simply like this, taking this up, making it a two move, and then bringing it down like this. So this is red and white, yellow and blue needs to be like this, same color on the facing the top. So and the algorithm goes like this. So I'll just quickly say the notations. Capital D means to rotate the down clockwise, and small d means rotating this clockwise. So in this, we would be taking both the layers, which is D, capital D plus small d. You will be seeing on the screen. D, R, F prime, U, R prime, F, and D plus D prime. So as you can see, the white and red, yellow and blue edges are matched. I'll quickly show how did I do that. So this is how you do it. Same edges matching on the top, and the algorithm goes like this: D, R, F prime, U, R prime, F, D plus D back. So the edges are matched. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you don't understand anything, leave a comment below. I'll definitely come with a better video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.